Today, I'm going to show you why analyzing your competitors is crucial for your marketing success. Discovering what your competitors are doing can give you insights into popular products, effective designs, and successful ad strategies. This knowledge can help you refine your own approach and stay ahead in the market. Finding your competitors' ad sets can be tricky. Some people recommend expensive tools or services, but there's a simple trick that can help you find these ads without spending a dime. For the sake of simplicity, I will cover two instances in this video. The first instance is a situation when you have a specific competitor you want to spy on. The second instance is a situation when you want to spy on your entire niche. This will help you keep tabs on what everyone in your niche is doing. Now, let's handle the first instance. Go to your competitor's Facebook page. If you don't know their page, visit their website and search for their social links. Every serious business link to their social media handles on their website. In my case, here it is. I'll open it up. Before we continue, let's look into the second instance where you want to spy on your niche. Open Google Search. We're going to use a specific search query to find dropshipping stores in your niche. Type in-text, double quotation, then powered by Shopify inside the quotation. We still need to add another in-text, double quotation, your product keyword, in my case, tote bag. Make sure to leave spaces between each part and hit enter. You'll see a list of Shopify stores selling this product. The search results will give you insights into businesses in your niche. Ultimately, we want to find their Facebook pages. I will select any random website and search the website for their social media link, Facebook to be more specific. Once on their page, visit the About section and click on the Page Transparency section. This will show you if they're currently running ads. In this case, this business is currently not running any ads. Do the same for every website on the SERP first page to know which of your competitors are running ads. In my case, I will do this also for my initial interested competitor. We can see here that he is currently running ads. We can see all. You'll see a link to Go to Ad Library. Here, you can see the exact ad sets they're using, including the start date and ad content. This trick works for any product and niche. Just replace the product keyword in the search query with your own. By finding your competitors' ads, you can learn from their strategies and improve your own campaigns. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Remember, if you have any questions or video requests, drop them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.